What's up?
¿Qué pasó?
Oh, just the
Oh,
thing.
I got a few business I gotta take
Down there. It should be up here.
You say it's great?
The color's great, but the can says Emily. Right here.
Perfecto, man.
$125 a can. Look how heavy it is. It's the real thing, you feel me? Yeah. Open it up.
Take your phone with you.
Oh yeah, let me take this with me. You said something, the brackets and all that? Okay.
Hey, yo. I need, búscate un bote.
Excuse me, sir. Let's go, wet feet. Let's go, get another one. It's crazy. Let's go see what we looking like here.
Te ayudamos, le digo, no, vete para allá. Figured out what I'm about to do on the wall. Nothing special, but I just, make it look better than what it is. Do this wall right here first. And, okay. About what?
Why are you going?
Because I'm cut off. Here, this guy, I already see you didn't do the handle right here, bro. You didn't change the light switch. I dropped it off yesterday. Need this in the garage, this drywall, all the stuff, materials in the garage. Remember I said you put it in the garage? I guess you forgot. You didn't put the light switch cover on. I bought it yesterday, dropped it off. He left a mess. Like they ain't clean up their mess. They get all the darn salt, the dust down there or whatever. They ain't paint this. They didn't even paint over this. Like they just left it how it is. No light switch cover there. You clean up the water stains in the basement. Check. What else? Got paint this in here. Let's go over here. See what this is. Oh,
this right here is like left hanging, and these got to be covered up, Jerry, with a plate cover. Now that I might need to bring. I gotta get one, but that can't be left like that. That box gotta be covered. This box over here has to be covered. Somebody upstairs? Let's see. Okay, alright. Just left this open. It's gotta be a piece of wood or something down there, and it's not painted. This light switch hasn't been changed. Like the vent just hanging. Didn't put the doorknob on this door. Another light switch cover not done. Here, I'm sitting right in the water. Ain't even no shut-off valves, Jerry. What's going on, brother? You ain't got the shut-off valves on there. I can't even cut the water on. What the fuck? That's what I came to do. He ain't even clean up the area.
Nice wall.
Thank you. I don't think I'm finished, but I didn't want to overdo it. You feel me?
I guess.
I just kept it simple. Oh, take a few pictures so I can have this boy listed live by either tomorrow or Friday. You feel me? What up, though, Cuddy?
What's up, Tony Macaroni?
Tony Macaroni. Hold on a second. What you doing, dog?
Shit, about to step out a little before I was.
I am dressed fine. Andy is. Wonder who did that artwork.
Spectacular.
Is it now?
A little bit.
Andy is. Okay, we fancy.
Remember that game with the light? I forgot the name of it. But that's what that reminded me of anyway.
Okay.
Lifesaver.
Alright.
Okay, anyway, back to the regular life.
Okay, I did this.
Oh, I got a fan to check me out.
Check me out. Ooh. And where did we purchase this light? Menards, okay. I see you, Menards. Here's this floor I assisted in helping make happen. Yep. They need to mind their business. They not working here. They don't work here. They need to mind their business. They should mind the business that pays them while I'm minding the business that pays me. You feel me?
You're supposed to stir the paint to the left, not the right. We're not supposed to use those colors. Nobody wants to see those colors.
It's hot down here. Now this is one of the rare bases that get hot. Most bases be cold too.
Might be.